Non-profitable organization. Published by WordPress.com. Tripura Student Association. Villagers are suffering from water due to no ring wells, tube wells and feet in the villages. All Tripura stories. Tribal Cultural Academy. The major activities of this academy are as follows. Conducting short-term in-house diploma courses on tribal folk song, tribal folk, dance and comm. Promotion, preservation and development of traditional and age-old tribal culture in the areas of vocal music, dance and instrumental music, craft and design through fundamental and applied research work. To take initiative for focusing the tribal folk culture at a national perspective. Exchange program with neighboring states in the fields of vocal music, folk songs and other cultural activities. To explore and promote tribe-wise culture of the state. About Tripuri script. Kokborok had a script known as Koloma which has disappeared now. Since the 19th century the Kingdom of Tripura used the Bengali script for writing in Kokborok. But, since the independence of India and Tripura's merger with India, the Roman script is being promoted by non-governmental organizations. The script issue is highly politicized, with the left front government advocating usage of Bengali script and the Tripuri Christians and ethno-nationalists advocating for the Roman script. At present both the scripts are being used in the state, in education as well as in literary and cultural circles. Share this. Background, edit. The line of the Ganamukti Parishad of Dasarath Deb was that Bengali script ought to be used for the language. That policy is the one implemented by the left front government in Tripura. The ethno-nationalist opposition, such as INPT, advocates usage of Latin script. Since 1900 AD started with the pioneer in Tripuri, Kokborok Radhamohan Thakur, till recently most of the literary work had largely been done in Bengali script. There have also been attempts to create an entirely new script for the language. The most notable one was constructed by Alinda Tripura. It is, however, not in use. Recent developments, edit. But recently in the last 2 decades a substantial amount of Kokborok literature has been in the Roman, Latin script. In 2004 a statewide movement called Movement for Kokborok was launched by various organizations and societies in Tripura, prominently by Kokborok Te Hakumu Mission and Tripura Students Federation demanding the inclusion of Kokborok at the university level and its adoption as an official language of India, which had been accorded to its sister language Bodo recently. The case for Roman script has been widened by the fact that the largest dictionary in the language has been published by Combe in it from 1995 onwards and got a bigger second edition in 2003. The dictionary has become a somewhat official reference of the Tripuri people for Kokborok words and usage.